All right, we're taking a look at question 31, and we're going to figure out what is being oxidized, what's being reduced in this redox reaction. All right, so what I see instantly is that you have aluminum solid, it's turning into an ion, and you have silver ions here turning into a solid. So I definitely can tell there's oxidation happening here, but we can also look at the oxidation numbers if we want to just double check. So silver, if we look up silver on our periodic table, where are you? Okay, let's skip to aluminum. There's aluminum, 3 positive, 3 positive. Oxygen, remember, is always a 2 negative in oxidation numbers. Solid metal like this is just a 0 oxidation number. So aluminum is just solid as well. And where's our silver? Of course, I can't find you. Oh, here we go. Positive ions. Okay, positive 1 for silver ions. And sulfur, if we ever want to look, sulfur is 2 negative. 2 negative. Oop. Hydrogen's always positive 1, positive 1, and then oxygen's negative 2. So you can see oxygen's oxidation state did not change, so it's not being oxidized or reduced. Hydrogen's oxidation state did not change. It's not being oxidized or reduced. Same with sulfur. So that's how we know that silver is going from positive 1 to 0. So we have some silver ions, and we have some silver solid, and we have aluminum solid at 0 oxidation state going to a 3 positive. So 0 to 3 positive is an increase in oxidation number, so it's being oxidized. I can tell that right there. But let's check our reactivity table for these two substances, aluminum and silver. Where do we have aluminum? There we go. And here is silver. All right. So we know as we go down in the solid metals, we have a stronger reducing agent closer to the bottom. Okay, so this is our strongest reducing agent. So this will be our reducing agent. And this will have to be our oxidizing agent over here, our silver ions. So this is going to be going through reduction. It's going to go through the forward reaction because it's on top. And our bottom metal is going to go through the opposite, the oxidized reaction. So we're going to write out our 2 reactions. So this one going forward here, we can see our silver ions are above our aluminum metal. So we have a spontaneous reaction. So our silver ions, this is our reduction half reaction. So let's go over here. So silver is ions plus an electron gives us solid silver. That's our reduction half reaction. And then our oxidation half reaction is going to be written the other way because we have aluminum and it is solid aluminum, and it is losing 3 electrons and forming the aluminum ion. Okay, so there is our oxidation reaction. So aluminum is being oxidized, silver ions are being reduced. Is it spontaneous? If we find our silver, yes. Here's our aluminum down here. So yes, this is a spontaneous reaction. Yes. Our oxidizing agent, which is here, oxidizing agent, is above our reducing agent, making a spontaneous reaction. Oxidizing agent above reducing agent. And our oxidizing agent, here we say increasing strength of our oxidizing agent. So this is our oxidizing agent. So silver ions are the oxidizing agent, even though it's being reduced. Remember that? Oxidizing agents are being reduced. And reducing agent is our aluminum solid. And that's the end of that question.